In 2013, Everett Public Schools became a kindergarten through high school STEM district. Rather than limiting science, technology, engineering, and math exclusively to certain schools or certain grade levels, the school board chose to make STEM all-inclusive. Today, STEM skill building and experiences begin in elementary school with the Engineering is Elementary curriculum. So, what's next? The district is working to create career pathways at each of our comprehensive high schools: aerospace and advanced manufacturing at Cascade, medical and health at Everett, information and communications technology at Jackson, and energy and sustainability at Comprehensive High School number 4 if voters approve the February 2018 capital bond. Today, business leaders in these industry sectors discussed why these pathways are so important.
In some ways, we're still kind of in the Industrial Revolution, like, hey, go out and get a manufacturing job. And a lot of the education is kind of built around that idea. That's not where the majority of our jobs are going. And I think in the future, a lot more is going to be focused on developing things in teams and working in the service industry and partnering with a bunch of other people to accomplish a task. We put in a couple of rain gardens this year at 2 different schools. And a lot of the kids had never, we had the kids actually put the plants in. And I think like close to half the kids had never planted anything ever. They had never put a plant in the ground. And they were excited about that, and they were really interested in that. Being able to actually have an idea, work through the concept, and then manifest it into some kind of reality that they can engage with, I feel like is super important. If you want to work with people, younger people that can think practically and can think pragmatically and can think in real world terms, perhaps you need to pay for something that will give them that type of real world experience.